Hey everyone, I made it into a new Costco. So this is going to be 2,900. I haven't seen this one. Oh, is this the one that pops out the you put your water in? Okay. Water 2 trays with autofill. Let me see if I can pan out. There we go. The top drawer. Okay, some snackies in there. We have like your main one. Oh, you can put ice in here and it comes with an ice scooper. Okay.
That's nice and deep at least.
Oh yeah. You got 3 shelves. Yeah, it is really deep. Those are deep. So what is this? A KitchenAid for the dishwasher. Okay, I like this top.
I've never seen one with 3 racks.
Me neither. We're all like amazed. And then we have the oven, fuel sided and range. So this is a burner. Okay, burner. Glass touch controls. So on top, that's pretty good. I just hate cleaning these. I hate cleaning mine. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
The oven. But ours is black, so you see everything. If the light hits it just right, you see everything. Here's the refrigerator. Okay, 180. This one ends on the 12th. Just a little mini refrigerator. A chest freezer, 2-wire baskets like right on top. Here we go. $150. The self-watering spruce planter. Ooh, look at their peppers. I love peppers. Okay. Yep. Well, this would work.
Yeah.
If you need a little bistro table, they do have one for $58. So I made it into a new Costco. I made it all the way to Chandler. Never been in this one, so I'm trying to get the feel of it and where everything would be. It looks a little different on the items that I've seen in different locations. The igloo will be 80, it's a 90 quart. So this bad boy is going to be $1,900. I do want one of these so bad. So in this location, they have the Kirkland like Jelly Belly, which I haven't seen in any other location. So it's kind of cool. $17. Only 5 grams of sugar. We have dark chocolate almond butter cups. USDA or organic. They also have the pineapple cakes, which is really cool because I only was able to find this one in the Costco Business Center. Again, you get 16 in here. Next to me, egg yolk pies. And Japanese style baked sponge cake. Okay, this one is $14. Let me go around. Here we go. $14. And $55.89. There is no limit. Oh, this one ends today. Made in the USA, Wisconsin, American ginseng slices. Okay. I think they're kind of pricey, but they're made in the USA. And the keto. Okay, this one ends today. A lot of these end today, so $10, no limit. So we have $10.89 variety syrup pack. What is it? Oh, like buttermilk syrup. I've never seen this. By Uncle Bob's. We have cinnamon bun as well.
I think it's Terminator 2. Uncle Bob.
And $20. This is vegan, sugar-free, and gluten-free. Ooh, this looks like it would taste good on like the soup dumplings. Anybody try this one? Vanilla ice cream. I don't know if I could put this on ice cream. And a 16 ounce of shredded dried pork. Very interesting. No flour or fillers added. Made with pork, product of USA, it says. No MSG added, no preservatives, ready to eat. So what is it like? Make a pork pulled sandwich? Is that pretty much what it is? It's like freeze dried, right? Is it freeze dried?
Yeah, it's got a lot of weird stuff in there. Besides pork, it's got sugar, soy sauce, salt, soybeans, sugar, cornstarch, water. Oh, that's the soy sauce. Lard, salt, and spices.
A 6 count with chili oil is $10.99. Wow, in this location, they have the Alfredo 2-pack, $8.59, and you get two.
The fries yesterday and the spaghetti sauce, the marinara that they have.
Yeah.
It was like $7 a jar for one.
Yeah, so it's better to buy in bulk, but this one, highly, highly recommend. So one thing I noticed about the beef lasagna, oh, they're microwavable now? Have they always been microwavable? I don't think so. They're $17.89, you get two now, but they're smaller. Like one would fill us up, and then we would have leftovers.
Yeah,
so
they
they are tiny now. I feel like everything's just getting tiny. So $56.99. Buddha's casserole. You guys, I've never seen this. Oh wow, I'm not gonna be able to pull this out. It is very long and thick, but looks like everything in here. $10.69. We have the mochi cup. Pull one out. You get 6 cups in here. Frozen dessert, and this is something my son will love. Oh gosh, I didn't bring like any like freezer bags for traveling. Man, why couldn't they find this by our Costco? I wish all Costco. I guess you have to just look it up online. Jackfruit organic, 20 ounce for $11.99. Oh, I never had jackfruit, but I would try the dried. So I found a plant-based like mozzarella for $8. 100% vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO. So I went by their dairy for the eggs, and people are buying eggs. Like, I feel like they're fighting over eggs like they did for toilet paper. Eggs here, limit to $5.49. Organic vanilla rice pudding. I've seen this one before. A few of you told me it was actually pretty good. So I did buy the macaroons last time. You guys, I'm really not a fan. I feel like there's really no flavor in my opinion. I did, you know, chocolate's good, raspberry and vanilla filling. I didn't get vanilla. I kind of tasted like a bland raspberry to me. And kimchi is $7. Okay, so this one's new, like a new dessert, cherry and cheese pastry. It is going to be $10. Greek yogurt, cream cheese, cherry filling, apricot glaze. Never seen this in any other Costco, and they do have something really similar in Winco. So in this location, they have the frozen wine cocktails, the beach box, ready to freeze. We have rosé, pink, lemonade, and strawberry, $6.97. Hey, don't forget, if you go to Desert Ridge, if you're in Arizona, you know they do that sip and stroll. So I think there's a certain time though. I haven't done it yet, but you could participate at any restaurant, you know, instead of going in. For example, say I want to go to the Yard House and I like a drink there. I could buy the drink and now you're allowed to walk around the shopping centers with your drink. So it's pretty interesting. Look it up if you're in Arizona. Because it was like, you know, you couldn't do that, but they passed this law and they're starting it out in Desert Ridge. So this is really cool. You get 2 in here for $37. They are solar lights and they're on a hook. So you will get 2 for $24 and made in the USA non-stick silicone. Okay, look what I found. The Forever Roses are 140 year, 16 stems, and last up to a year. You know, this company keeps reaching out to me and I keep saying no. Yeah. I'm like, no, but that's pretty cool. $140. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Costco location. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in another one.